Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Just wanted to give one important update. See guys, from past few days the market was going up and there was a rally of bullish view happening. However, there is a confirmation which has come in Bank Nifty that a top has been formed. A double top has been formed. If we see this in weekly time frame, look at this guys. There was this resistance which was created somewhere around mid-21, like August 2021. This resistance was created and again it was tested like yesterday, a few days back, 2-3 days back, and this could not be breached. And double top formation is usually an indication of market going downside. So there is a confirmation for Bank Nifty, and obviously they both work in synchronicity, and the Nifty will also follow this. So the point is very clear. Look at this guys. There is so much of resistance happening in Nifty also. There's one candle, one here and here. So clearly it is a resistance area which has been created, and the market were overstretched anyways because of inflation, and markets might go down from here, so you have to take your trades accordingly. Less of long positions if they are coming. One more update guys, I am more regular with the Telegram channel. It is time consuming to make updates on YouTube. I have to edit also. So if you want, you can join my channel. I'll put the description below in the section. You can join it, it's free. I'm waiting for a certain number. Once that certain number is achieved, I might turn it into a paid channel. But people who have already joined will stay there for free, so there is no point clicking it. And one more update guys. And there are a few stocks which I have already mentioned earlier in my Telegram channel, TGVSL, and there were a few more. They have rallied somewhere around 20 to 30% already. I could not make a video, so it is really important if you join the Telegram channel also. One more thing, see, markets are overstretched right now because of inflation, and there are a lot of issues happening economically. So I would really recommend, if any of you are watching or taking any advice or watching those news channels, they are literally made for whales and sharks, the big investors, to support. You know where this support is coming from. CNBC 18 owned by whom? Now NDTV owned by whom? There are a lot of people. So this is kind of a situation when they give overstretched market, they give buy signals. Retailers get trapped, and the whales just take their money out right at the top. So avoid those things also. So just a small update. If anything else comes, I'll just let you know, or if any stock I find good, I'll let you know. Thank you.